Hey Alexie, I'm Miss Allison and I am your 8th grade English teacher at PSD Virtual and welcome! We are so excited to have you here. We have an awesome end of the semester planned in English class and I'm just so glad that you're going to be joining us for this. So I want to show you what we're doing tomorrow in class. I would love if you and I could have a chance to meet and get to know each other better, and I want to show you how to do that. So just to give you reference, on Fridays, so English class every day is 8:30 to 9:45. And on Fridays, we do an asynchronous workday and a help desk. So you have time to get some work done and come chat if you need help. So I want to show you how to access class so we can talk tomorrow and get to know each other a little bit better. So right here, we're going to go to Microsoft Teams. This is what I use in my class. So there's two ways to access Microsoft Teams. The first one is this icon with the two blue people here. If you don't have that for some reason, you can come down to the search bar. There we go, and you can type in Teams right here, okay? So either way, that's going to open it up. When you get that open, it will ask you for your PSD credentials, so your PSD email address. You'll type that in and you'll log in. Awesome, so once you're in, this is what it's going to look like. You have a sidebar here on the left, that's kind of your master control. For this, we're going to make sure you're on Teams, because this will show you every class or team that you're a part of. And again, this is just for English class. So we're going to go down here. You're looking for this one. That is the Allison English Language Arts period 3. I know it has like a super long title. Look for Shakespeare, then you'll know you're in the right place, okay? Okay, cool. So once you click on Shakespeare, you'll see our team. You'll notice that there's a general channel, and this means that there's a meeting going on. And you'll see a join button right here. So that's where we will be for help desk tomorrow from 8:30 to 9:45. If you click here, you'll pop in and I'll be there and excited to meet you, okay? So that's a quick tutorial on how to access class. When we meet up, we can talk a little bit more about all the things we're doing in English class, but I want to make sure you know how to get there first, okay? If you have any questions at all, please make sure to reach out, and I'm so excited to meet you.